Mark from Custom Dynamics. Here today with a fun little bike we've got a new product for. We have a Magic Strobe for the Honda Grom. I'm going to install that today right here in the Town & Country Sports Center facility. They've let us use this bike here for this video, so I'd like to thank them. And you know it, let's get after it. All right guys, we're here at the bike. I'm going to remove the rear seat. On these, use the key, real easy. Little key slot for it. Turn it back, pull the seat up. Now we're going to look for the rear wiring harness for the lighting. It's on the side here, tucked down. You just kind of want to pull it up. Real easy tab. Use your nail, pull it apart. What I do is fish the Magic Strobe under the frame, because we're going to plug this in line with this. Fish that up under the frame here, so we can plug it in line, like that. Real simple, plug in line. Tuck it down in there. Plug this in line. Tuck it down in there. Then that way we can tuck the Magic Strobe nice and easy into the seat. And like all of our Magic Strobes, it's adjustable, all the settings. Real easy to gain access to. You can change whatever the setting you want for the Magic Strobe flash. So we'll tuck that down in there. Put the seat back on. All right guys, that'll do it for the Magic Strobes install on the Honda Grom. Very easy install, very quick. Gives you great visibility just with a single little tail light. Let's check it out. And there you go, very easy, very visible. Now people can see you. And as always, you can pick up these products at your local drag specialty dealer and of course, CustomDynamics.com.